Alhamdulillah. Islam teaches us a righteous society begins at home. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Every child is born upon fitra, pure nature, but it is the parents who shape their faith." The family is the first school of morality, a place where children learn faith, respect, and love. A strong home prevents crime, heals society, and raises responsible citizens. Islam commands financial responsibility too. Men are protectors and maintainers of women. The Prophet ﷺ said, "He is not one of us who shows no mercy to the young or respect to the elders." Homes built on love and taqwa preserve Islamic identity across generations. Learn more in Islamic Family Ethics, available now on Amazon. Break time.